Hey guys, this will be my latest artwork, and this is a dog. Her name is Rabia. So right now I'm trying to sketch it. I'm very sorry about the crowd because I'm here outside. So soon I will try to finish it, and you will see the development of Rabia. Rabia is a mixed breed of Aspin and Doberman. So that's her. So I was thinking about if colored pencil that I'm going to use, or watercolor and colored pencil. Anyway, thank you very much guys. Bye for now.